Over here.
Listen, you lot, you're not going to just steal the jewels, you're going to help us steal them.
First, we drop into the sewers.
Ben's a plumbing genius.
Then we crack the vault, steal the jewels and get out.
Watch out for the bobbies.
Feds crime. You're a gangster.
A Gangsta Granny. Let's rock and roll.
It's a long way down, Gran. Hold tight. Here we go. Everybody remember perfect stick. Don't even move. Touch one of those and they'll blow our cover. I didn't say blow off. No more cabbage food.
This time happens in the shop. It's gonna go proper.
Nothing happened.
Wait for it. Oh, blimey.
That's strange. Where's the crown?
I don't know then. Let's crack the door. Who this do?
At least it's good for one thing. Careful, Gran.
Slowly does it. The black cat strikes again.
Quick! This way! We've lost power. The gate's gonna close. This way, Gran. The sewers lead us out to the Thames.
Wait and see. Are you ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Are you okay, Gran?
I've never felt more alive.
Quicker, Gran. Swim faster.
Do the trick.
The mobility scooter. I mean, getaway car is this way.
Come on, slowcoach. Jump on. I'm gonna floor it. Hold tight. It's the fudge.
We're done for. They've made a roadblock.
Hold on to your hats and glasses.